Welcome back, Truth Seeker. Currently uploading a video on the murder of Nipsey Hussle, March 31st, 2019. Be sure to check that video out. Before it's even processed, YouTube has already flagged it, saying it's been identified by the YouTube community as inappropriate or offensive to some audiences. It's funny because nobody's even seen the video yet. Talk about censorship. But what I also want to talk about is last night's headline. Rolling Stones postponed tour on doctor's orders. And this is about Mick Jagger, the longest touring band of all time frontman. Don't forget that the original frontman was a victim of murder by numbers once upon a time ago, found dead in his pool. That's covered in my book. His death synced up with Mick Jagger, but here Mick Jagger is, a 75-year-old man, decades later, and I want you to see what's so interesting about the timing of this news, which came the evening of March 30th, 2019. Mick Jagger's got that July 26th birthday, meaning this news came 118 days before his birthday. And what do we know about 118? It was years ago that I predicted the death of Prince based on the number 118. It's a number connected to death. It's a number that shows up around death all the time. You know, Joan Rivers, for example, dropped dead out of nowhere on the day leaving 118 days left on the year. And it's a number we've covered, hundreds of times since. Remember, when they found Prince dead and I said his death was coming, I said two numbers would be connected to Prince's death. It would be 67 and 118. Prince ended up dying a span of 67 days from vanity and ended up being found dead in an elevator. And this is why you want to learn that code of Gematria. And you want to learn it inside out. Alphabetic order with rules of numerology, reverse alphabetic order with rules of numerology. And with regards to Prince being found in an elevator in the 46-2, that's another big sacrifice number. So anyway, 118, number we talk about all the time. I actually just put together another post on Joan Rivers because somebody asked about her death recently. Just fit it in here. She died September 4th, the day leaving 118 days left in the year. Joan Rivers was born Joan Malinsky. And notice Malinsky also has that 118 connection. And some people question if Joan Rivers even really died. But that's another conversation, For another 118, think about Robin Williams. What day did he die? August 11th, out of nowhere. Robin Williams did August 11th, 11/8. And trust me, if you've read my book, Letters and Numbers, you know how many people have died suspiciously by this number. So Mick Jagger's not dead, but, there's definitely something up with the timing of this story. It's not an accident. This came out 118 days before his 76th birthday. And recall my video from the beginning of 2019. We had 3 celebrity deaths on the same day, all at age 76. The reflection is 67, that other infamous number. Like how Prince died 67 days from vanity. So, we'll leave it there, Truth Seeker. Until next time.